All you need is some crayons or some markers, whichever you like to color with, and a letter-sized piece of paper. We're just going to put it in front of us the horizontally way. So this is the long side of the paper as opposed to the short side of the paper. We're going to start at this side and we're going to fold it up. We're going to line up these corners as best as we can. It's okay if you're not quite perfect. We're still practicing. Then pinch this down and pinch it out. Just slide your finger across so that makes a nice good crease, and then open it up again. Then you're going to take this corner and fold it to the middle here. So sometimes I'll put my thumb here on the crease just so that I know where I need to be, and then I can start my pinching over here and slide down the paper. Then we're going to do the same thing over here. Just put your thumb there so that you know where your paper needs to fold, and get as close to that line as you can, and then pinch and fold it down. Then you're going to fold up this part. So just put your fingers here to hold this down and fold this up with your thumb to the middle line again and pinch it down. Then we're going to turn it around and do the same thing on this side. So you put your thumb here, bring it up to the line so that they're almost touching, and then pinch with your thumb there. Oops, I moved it. And then we're going to slide it down. Same with this side. Get it almost touching, close to the line. And fold that down. Then put your hands here, fingers here, and bring this up with your thumb. As close to the line as you can get so that they're almost touching. Then we're going to put our finger here, line it up with these corners so that the paper knows where to bend. And then we're going to lift this over and pull our finger out. See how everything is almost touching? And then just press that crease. Same thing, go in the middle so you're lining up with this point and this point. Pull your finger out, and just so that they're almost touching, and then crease that. Now before we go any further, we're going to open this up, and we're going to put a little message inside here, inside this rectangular section, and you can put whatever message you want. I'm just going to put an I and a heart and a U. You can put whatever message you would like in there. And then we fold the corners back in, fold the top and the bottom, and then fold these in. And if you want, you can flip it over and put another message here. What could be something nice that we could put there that's different? Maybe some flowers. Some different colored flowers. What kind of things do you like to put in there? An orange one. And let's do a pink one. You can put whatever little message you like in here. If you like to print out something, you can. If you want to draw a picture, you can do that as well. So we've got our folds all made. And now once we're on this side, we're going to put our hand, you can tell kind of where there's a line through here and here. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but it's darker on this side and lighter on this side. And what you're going to do is just fold this over enough so that this tip is right there. Can you see how close it is to the edge? And then press it down. Then we're going to bring this one over. And you want it just almost to the edge because it needs to have room to go inside that one. And then just press here. Good job. Now we're going to take this piece and pop it in there and in there. So we're both in there. Did you see how I did that? I'll do it one more time for you. Pop this corner in there and then this corner in here and press that in. And this is the secret message part because they'll pull and it pops open and then they can read the message inside. So we'll slide this back in again and we'll just decorate the outside and then push it in. So if I draw a little arrow here, so that they know where to pull. And if you want, you can put the words pull. Oh, let's use a red one. Put P-U-L-L. My P needs to be a little bit longer. We can thicken that up. I'm going to put a heart up here. And we can decorate the sides any way we want. Maybe a little curly Sue. What do you think? Think I can do that same shape on this side, same pattern? Did I do it? Yay! Maybe some little stars here. And if you want, you can put designs here. And then when you're ready to give it, they'll just pull their Valentine or their secret message open, and then they can see all the messages. I hope you have a lot of fun making your little puzzle message, and you have a great day. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.